Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a half double crochet. In the last video you learned how to do a double crochet, so today we're going to learn how to do a half double crochet. So you're going to get your yarn, make a slip knot, now you're going to make some foundation chain. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so in order to make a half double crochet, it's kind of the same way as a double crochet, but this. So you're gonna yarn it over. Okay, go in, yarn it over, go through the first stitch, which is right here. You still want to have 3 loops. You're gonna yarn over, go through the first loop as always. Now you have 3 loops. Okay, now you want to yarn over, and then you're going to go through all 3 of these loops. So just like this. Okay, again, we're going to yarn over. This is the second stitch right here. So yarn over, put it right there. The first loop only, like that. Yarn over again, and then simply slide it through all 3 like that. That is how you do a half double crochet. It's just half of the double crochet. So half double crochet, you yarn over in here, the 3rd loop, yarn it over, you have 3 loops, and then you yarn over and slide it through all 3 loops. Okay, that's simple and easy. Over, in, draw up a loop, 3 of them, and slide through all of them, just like that. Okay, I'm going to show you one last time. Yarn over, put it in the chain, yarn it over, you create a loop, and then slide through all of them. It's really that easy and that simple. And like that. Like that. Okay, and see how it looks different and a little bit smaller, not long like the double crochet. Yep, that easy and simple. That is how you make a half double crochet. Okay, I hope you learned it. If you have any questions, if you are just not getting it, if I'm maybe going too fast or something, please leave down in the comment section and I'll make another video, slow it down or whatever, to help you get it. So just let me know. Okay, that is how you do a half double crochet. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye. See you in the next video.